Yo, what's up, my people? Alright, so I got a new video for you guys today. It's nothing crazy, but I actually have a brake line that is leaking. I've had new ones for a little while now, but we kind of been putting them off because, you know, rust. What else is new on this car? The fittings that go on from the hard line to the flex line, it's like super rusty, and like we just didn't really want to deal with the headache at the time, but now it's something that, you know, has to be done. So I've actually had stainless steel ones for a while now. I'm sorry for the shaking, by the way. I've actually had stainless steel ones for a while now, but now is when, sorry, people just don't know how to drive. So I've had stainless steel ones for a while now. Today they're gonna go in. I'll just try and time-lapse thing. It's not gonna be a long video, just something to give you guys some content. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day. We got leakage over here. Oh no, it didn't leak. We got. I mean, I'm gonna be sitting here for like what, 5 minutes, and it's already got a puddle.
Oh, you're standing on the brake, remember?
Oh, it wasn't.
You're sitting in the driveway.
That was right there.
He was in gear.
Yeah. We know it was a good day at work.
I don't have an e-brake either, so that's not good.
Yeah.
I think the bottom comes off the top. I think the hard line stays there.
No, you gotta unthread the hard line to get the fucking top line.
How do you break your tube on pretzel?
What's this sugar we're talking about?
Payment for you guys. Oh yeah! So we got the new line replaced. ECS tuning right here. Peekaboo. Yo, what up? Peekaboo.
Hey.
How you doing in there?
Just better.
Sugar! Do a wheelie! Dude, I want to see him go into the fence. Dongas.
You want to get me a game too?
Do you have like super glue or something?
You gotta ask her. She usually knows this.
Yeah,
I don't know where that shit
super
is.
glue. Super glue?
I don't know where it is.
Are we good?
Almost.
Hey.
Just gotta bleed.
Look at this, ready? This is because I don't know how to drive. Alright guys. So we replaced both the brake lines. It was a short video, but I appreciate you guys for watching. Just so you guys are aware. So the right caliper is new, and we had an issue with that one, but left caliper, the bleeder broke, so we're gonna have to fix that. Probably just gonna get a new caliper, but thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful night.